This is a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. This thing is powered by a 4-cylinder turbo pushing the front tires, and it gets excellent gas mileage, and it's super nice inside. Let's take a look. Stepping inside, black leather interior pairs so nicely with that charcoal gray exterior. As you can see, this one has just 124,000 miles on it. This thing is getting over 30 miles to the gallon, by the way. There's all the steering wheel controls. Of course, a nice large screen in the middle. Got Joy FM rocking on the radio there. Factory navigation is built in. And there's the backup camera. Moving down the dash, you can see this has got the Sony premium sound and dual climate control. Stepping into the back, this is a 5-seater SUV, more of that black leather back here. So 2 in the front, 3 in the back, and a good sized cargo area behind that back seat. You're going to want to come check this thing out, next level in Hillsboro.